It's just beautiful. This should be hung in a museum.
Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel.
Hello! Let's get started with the magic milk experiment. For this experiment, you're gonna need milk, food coloring, dishwash, cotton bud, and a dropper. You got it correct. You have to choose your favorite color. For me, it's gonna be blue.
Mine
so you have
will
to
be
take
yellow.
drop by drop. Careful.
Do mine.
Careful. So now it's Zuhaib's turn. Here you go.
Yeah.
So your favorite color is yellow, huh? Okay, careful. Now just drop by drop. You want to use green?
No.
Okay,
No,
green.
red.
Green. Okay. So let me do this part for you. Okay, now you can do the next. Okay, here. Now
Squeeze it
yeah,
here.
squeeze. Oh, careful.
Careful.
Now squeeze it. A little bit. Only a bit. Squeeze. Here, let me help. Now we're gonna put a red because it's the last color and I don't have a fourth brother. So let's do this. Squeeze.
Now here comes the fun part. First we need dish
soap, and then we need cotton buds. So just put some there.
I'm gonna try now.
And now we just put it in here.
Yeah.
Guys, can you see it?
Yeah.
It's moving when you put it. It's like art. Well, it is art. It's just beautiful.
Whoa.
This should be hung in a museum. So
yeah,
cool.
that's so
It's
cool.
moving and stuff.
Yeah, I'm gonna try it again. I can watch my.
So this is the end of. Are you gonna say?
I can say.
Let's.
Hello guys, we're gonna make
Milk experiment.
fun parts. Making a magic
Milk experiment.
What?
Oh, so this is the end of the video. Please like and subscribe, and see you on the next one.